Let's start with the Lokar mantra.
आज का पर्पस वही था. काफी टाइम से काफी लोग बोल रहे हैं कि मार्केट्स, सो वही चीज को ध्यान पे रखते हुए when we started the tenure, I think Nilesh and Himalbhai had taken an initiative to we'll do something about stock markets. How do we do it? A lot of contemplation, a lot of thinking. And then I think Himalbhai decided that we should start with the basics. A lot of people invest, a lot of people try to, engage in markets in their own ways. Let's give them basics. What is it that they can themselves do from the technical perspective? और आगे खुद क्या कर सकते हैं? So idea वही है, if you understand the technical aspects of technical indicators of the equity market, the stock market, and the related markets, eventual idea is to make it into a series. So अगर आपको आज का session fruitful लगे, if you feel it's worthwhile, the team here with Himalbhai and Nileshbhai is very geared up to take this further and get into a more technical, detailed, technical analysis series. Am I right, Himalbhai? So, Himalbhai's background, I think, Nileshbhai and team will take. You will understand why Himalbhai is here as a speaker when you hear the background. And you will understand why we've chosen him to be taking the lead on this initiative. And also why he, along with Nileshbhai, is the key players, the key people from Jito Goregaon who lead the CFA initiative. So, not taking much further of your time, welcome to all of you. It's wonderful to see you here on Saturday afternoon to understand and learn more about equity markets from the technical perspective. I welcome you all on behalf of Jito Goregaon chapter and hope you all have a wonderful time today and wonderful takeaways from here. Thank you.
Hello everybody. So it's an honor to introduce our own speaker, a visionary turned businessman from being an entrepreneur to creator. Dr. Hemal Shah started his journey from something to everything. With almost 3 decades of dedicated hard work and persistence, he has learned the art of creating and co-creating human mindsets to build fortune for themselves both internally and externally. He is indeed a wealth creator. He started his journey from being a stockbroker and has been immensely successful in managing and literally creating wealth for people across the globe. With experience, he realized external wealth is incomplete. Being wealthy within internally should happen. He then began serving people, realized the true potential they possess to achieve what they desire and truly what they deserve. Since then, he is on the mission to touch lives of more than 1 crore people by making them fully equipped with thoughts that serve the purpose of their lives. He has conducted more than 100 workshops on mind programming and Jainism. From being a proprietor to being CEO of Maitri Group of Companies, Dr. Hemal Shah's journey has been remarkable and full of life-changing lessons. So here we welcome our own Hemal Shah. Please come.
पाप पराजित होए रे, इस धरती के धरती में कण कण में धर्म समोय रे शुद्ध धर्म जन जन में जागे घर घर शांति समोय रे तेरा मंगल मेरा मंगल सबका मंगल होए रे।
Great morning. Hello everyone. Are you there with me? Come on. Say great morning. Can I tell you about the basic principle of wealth creation? More energy, more money. Right? If you don't have energy, you are not going to attract more capital, more wealth creation. So great morning. You know why I have said great and morning? Because we all are good and our journey starts from good to great. Morning represents freshness, energy. So when you are meeting for the first time, even if you are meeting in afternoon or evening, you should always say great morning. Right? So before we begin, I just wanted to know how many of you are investing in stock market? I think almost 90%. How many of you are doing trading in the stock market? 30%. How many of you are studying fundamental and then investing? There are 5, 7, 15 chartered accountants, I think. Achha, how many of you know technical analysis basic? 7, 8, right? So it's really 25% of the people know the basics. But to be very honest, we will start with the basic only. Because अगर fundamentals नहीं समझेगा ना, because it is very detailed subject. Let us start with the basics, right? Let us understand the basic concept of the technical analysis. It was very different. And I am telling you, if you know this, you will not depend on anybody else. Are you with me? Yes. Right? So, shake hands with your partner next to you and ask, क्या लगता है और क्या करने जैसा है? Come on, everyone has to do this activity. क्या लगता है, क्या करने जैसा है, and what is the next step? What Trump is going to do next? Next, reciprocal tariff. Are you done with it? अभी आपको आंसर देना है. जिसने आपको पूछा ना क्या लगता है और क्या लेने जैसा है और क्या करने जैसा है, उसको पूछिए. शेक योर हैंड अगेन. कम ऑन. इस सेशन के बाद we ourselves can tell you कि भाई ये करने जैसा है और ये लेने जैसा है. So you are not going to depend on anybody else for selecting the stock, right entry, right exit, with mindset, with proper risk management, but you have to give your 110% to learn this skill. So are you there with me? Yes. Yes? Eager to learn everything? Yes. Let's start. This is a small disclaimer. This is only for education purpose. We'll do it. Come on. Now, before we start, and as I said, it is going to be a technical and a mindset. So before we start, we need to have this affirmation. Why this affirmation? Because we have old belief about the money. Your relation about the money has to be very clear, very pure. You know, one reason if we could not attract enough money or enough wealth is because of this. So I'll read it and you all have to repeat it. Are you there? Come on. Yes, money affirmation. I love money. I play the money game to win. My intention is to create wealth and abundance. I admire rich and successful people. I get rich doing what I love. I am truly grateful for all the money I have now. My capacity to earn, hold, and grow money is expanding each day. My money works hard for me and makes me even more money. My passive income is growing constantly. सॉफ्टवेयर बहुत अच्छा था, लेकिन वायरस भी निकल गया, तो अभी जो भी प्रोसेस होगा ना, सीधा डायरेक्ट जाएगा. You know, pay attention to these verbs. One innovation will change your whole ecosystem. One leader can change entire country. One idea can change your world. One mentor can change your mindset. One opportunity can change your whole career. One bull run in the stock market can change your net worth. And one good stock can change your entire life. You know, now these words are very important. One bull market creates stupid investors. Stupid investors create bear market. Bear market creates smart investors, and smart investors create bull market. How many of you are agree with me? Yes, no? Can I ask certain question why it is so? You understand? You know, in 2020, when the bull market started, March 2020, सब बाजारें बंद थी, सिर्फ एक यही बाजार चालू था. All the people were into this, and most people, जो भी यंगस्टर थे, उन्होंने कभी ये देखा नहीं था, और आने के साथ सीधा रॉकेट. And what had happened? This bull market has been extended by another 2, 3, 4 years. Otherwise, in India, we have never seen 5 years ka, 4 years ka bull market at a stretch. From 1992 to 2020 or beyond 2025, it was the most attached, extracted, powerful bull market. And in September 2024, the things started to change. Right? जो भी थे उनको नॉलेज था, नहीं था, सबने पैसा बनाया. But in stock market, money making is not important. And what is important? Sustainability. Sometimes money saves money earned. Right? मार्केट में अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं है, तो जब अपॉर्चुनिटी आएगी तब हम करेंगे. लेकिन जब तक अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं है, we should sharpen the yes. So this is the time we should learn something different. And one request: don't be in MBA attitude, be in MBBS attitude. You know what is MBA attitude? Okay, now you tell me what is MBBS attitude. Anyone in the room? MBBS attitude? મારે બહુ બધું શીખવું છે. Very good. Can you tell me the basic difference between technical analyst and fundamental analyst? Rohita, can you elaborate? Fundamental analyst, come on.
Fundamental analysis in the root cause of the every what you want. Or any kind
Anyway, chartered accountant who is very fluent in studying the
financial unit of the
studying the financial. It is basically studying the quantitative and qualitative analysis, right? What is coming in quantitative analysis? Figures, numbers, right? Ratios, right? And how about the qualitative analysis? Business model, reputation, future potential of making money, right? What is very technical analysis? Setting of price, okay. Trend, chart pattern and trend analysis. Wait. I'll just make you understand the basic understanding of technical analysis by giving just one example. When we are ill, we need to detect what kind of illness we have. So, what doctor will suggest? Going for a blood test, going for a scan, and third thing, अगर हार्ट का प्रॉब्लम लगा तो एंजियोग्राम, राइट? ECG. Technical analysis is nothing than studying and diagnosis what is happening with that company at that point of time, right? Whatever is there, whatever news flow is there with the company and about the stock, it is already been priced in at that point of time. Somebody told me technical analysis is not working. Fundamental analysis is more powerful. उसका perspective है, चाहे वो सही हो सकता है. But I'm telling you, if you know the basics and if you have the clear funda, you can tell yourself whether to enter in this stock or not. I just give you one example. You know what has happened with Reliance Industries stock between 2009 to 2017? क्या हुआ था? कुछ नहीं. It was just under few rupees here and there for a period of how many years? 8 years, right? This, if you know this, the basics, you will come to know whether to enter in that stock or not. Second, we have seen such a fantastic run up, almost in all the stock, from 2021 to September 2024. So who knows the exit? किसको मालूम था ये टॉप है, ये बॉटम है? सिर्फ दो जन को ही मालूम. एक तो भगवान को, दूसरा लायक, बाकी किसी को नहीं मालूम. If you know this, the basic and little bit of advance, you can exit from that particular stock who has made great money. What has happened between September 2024 and March 2025? चाहे A group का शेयर हो या B group का शेयर हो, it has been corrected more than 40%. So you can save those money, right? Now I want everybody, once I teach you one single common concept, I want everybody to draw. Right? Why? Because if you draw, if you write, this finger has a direct connection with neuro. It will get registered. You will never forget this. Okay? To learn today. Tool management, trade management, risk management, and mind management. Out of these four, we are going to focus more on tool management and mind management. Why tool management is very much important? Ready? There are 6,000 listed stock in Bombay Stock Exchange. How to know which stock to buy? कैसे मालूम पड़ेगा? So tool management will tell you these stocks to buy. Now in this tool management, we will learn 8-step analysis. 8-step analysis. We'll go. Now trade management. What is trade management? Now we have identified one stock. बराबर? What price to buy? which system to use, right? This will tell us trade management. Now, very important, what is risk management? भाई लेने तो सबको आता है, लेकिन जो बेच पाया वही सिकंदर है. It is about measuring risk-reward ratio. What is risk-reward ratio? It is 1:2, 1:3, 1:4, 1:5. इसका मतलब क्या होता है? अगर मुझे कोई ट्रेड में एंटर होना है, तो माई स्टॉप लॉस वुड बी मिनिमम 1:2. मतलब 20 रुपया कमाना है तो सिर्फ 10 रुपया ही मेरे को गंवाना है. 1:3, 1:5, 10 रुपए का स्टॉप लॉस, 50 रुपए का टारगेट. So that is very much important. And the most important part is mind management. सबको मालूम है स्ट्रेटेजी यूट्यूब पे फ्री दिखती है, right? But it is the strategy plus hand holding plus support and plus mind management that will create sustainable wealth. It is like transferring from Android to Apple. Why it is so? Q? What is Android? And what is Apple? Higher version, right? Why it is higher version? Why we need to learn the higher version? Remember this word. You have to be passionate with the profit and ruthless the losses. हम उल्टा करते हैं. क्या करते हैं कि कोई भी स्टॉक 100 रुपए में लिया, राइट? 90 आता है तो और लेंगे, 70 आता है तो और लेंगे, और 50 आता है ना तो हमारी कैपेसिटी रहेगी कि पूरी इक्विटी बाय करेंगे. नो, ये नहीं करना है. द फेमस आंसर राकेश झुंझुनवाला always used to have one word in Gujarati. He used to say in Gujarati, વધારે વધારે લેવાનું, ઘટાડે ઘટાડે વેચવાનું. Now what is વધારે વધારે લેવાનું? વધે વધે लो. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ नरेश भाई? 100 रुपए में कोई स्टॉक लिया है, राइट? 110 का भाव है, तो market is saying you are right. Now you play with the market's money. You buy at 110, it goes to 120. Then you buy more. Simple. So how it is going to do? We'll learn in a concept called inverse pyramid. We will learn. और inverse pyramid कभी आता है जब एक ट्रेंड डिसाइड होता है, तभी वो आता है. So apart from these four, first and four is very very important. Now we'll learn the details about tool management. Understand this? It's step. इसमें जो पहले 5 है, it is very 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 important. First is price, second is pattern, third is volume, fourth is momentum, fifth is volatility. These are the basic price action plus momentum plus volatility. We have to master these 5 steps. And rest 3 are helping these 5. What are those? Time, strength, and sentiment. Now, what is time? We'll come over, but just what is time? You might be knowing. There are certain dates and there are certain anniversary dates. There are certain astro cycles where time and price match, trend change. So we'll see that also. Now under tool, the first is price. Now what is price? We'll learn about these 4. There are a lot of detailed explanation under this price, but right now we will learn these 4 aspects. Types of trend. How many trends are there in the stock market? 3. क्या क्या है? Up trend, डाउन ट्रेंड एंड साइडवेज. बहुत इजी है, राइट? तो ट्रेंड प्रेडिक्ट करने को आवे तो वी कैन एबल टू मेक मनी. श्योर. नाउ व्हाट इज सपोर्ट एंड रेजिस्टेंस? Normal support, normal resistance. The important is change in polarity and trend line. Let's begin with price action. When a stock movement starts from here, first it will reach 100 to 150, right? First movement. Then it will retrace. 50 रुपया बढ़ा है तो 25 रुपया नीचे आएगा, right? फिर 125 से वो 200 का मूवमेंट रहेगा, मतलब अगेन 50 रुपीज राइज एंड देन अगेन इट विल गिव बैक 25 रुपीज. इसको बोलते हैं हायर टॉप हायर बॉटम. हायर टॉप हायर बॉटम. आर यू विथ मी? राइट? मतलब हर टाइम स्टॉक राइजिंग बाय 100 रुपीज it will give back 25 rupees. Then again it will rise by 100 rupees, it will give by 25 rupees. ठीक है? इसको बोलते हैं अप ट्रेंड. अप ट्रेंड. ओके? Simple example. Asian Paint. Again it started from here, then went up, higher top, higher bottom, higher top, higher top. Now the next step is downtrend. लोअर टॉप लोअर बॉटम. मतलब पहले 100 पे था, फिर 80 आया. 80 वाला एक साथ वो 50 रुपीज नहीं आएगा. अगेन इट विल राइज, देन अगेन इट विल फॉल. ठीक है? तो दिस इज परफेक्ट एग्जांपल फॉर डाउन ट्रेड. लोअर टॉप लोअर बॉटम. समटाइम्स द स्टॉक स्टक्स in between the range for longer period of time. मतलब वो हायर टॉप हायर बॉटम भी नहीं बनाता है, लोअर टॉप लोअर बॉटम भी नहीं बनाता है, वो साइडवेज जाता है. फॉर एग्जांपल 100 रुपीज का स्टॉक है, ऊपर में 125 जाता है, वापस 100 जाता है, वापस 125 है. इट रेंजेस. फॉर एग्जांपल फ्रॉम 2009 to 2017 रिलायंस वॉज एट दैट लेवल. उसको बोलते हैं कंसोलिडेशन आल्सो. So I want everyone to write on your pad about these three trends. You know, once it is there in your mind, you can identify trend. Higher top, higher bottom, lower top, lower bottom, and sideways. ये ऊपर गया, वापस रिट्रेस हुआ, वापस ऊपर गया, वापस रिट्रेस हुआ, वापस ऊपर गया. You know why? Because when the trend changes, you will get to know the trend has changed. It is time to enter, go bullish or go bearish. Once it will have this trend, right? When the trend will change, when it will break and go and close below this level, that you have to write. Very important and basic concept in technical market. Support and resistance. For example, right now which kind of market is there? अभी क्या चल रहा है market? Bearish, right? Or we can say it is in between range. Why? Because it is not going down below 21,800 and not going above 23,800, right? It is stuck in between 2000 points ka range, right? So if you know this basic, and if you know some more inputs about the stock market and technical analysis, you can buy around 21,800 with a stop loss of 50 points. You can trail and you can exit at 23,800. Basic concept of technical analysis support. Next. Resistance. Stock is not moving around one particular range. Market and Nifty is not crossing 23,800. So that is resistance. Next. This is very much important. This is called change in polarity. इसका मतलब क्या होता है? जो पहले वो सपोर्ट था, अभी वो रेजिस्टेंस बन गया है. Why? क्योंकि stock market or stock will not stay in particular range for longer period of time. It has to have some kind of movement, right? But when you know support and resistance, and when you know when the support is breaking, it is going above the support, it is going below the support, and if it is going above the resistance, you can see the trend is changed for that particular stock. ठीक है? नाउ चेंज इन पोलैरिटी, जो पहले का सपोर्ट था, जो पहले का रेजिस्टेंस था, नाउ इट हैज बिकम सपोर्ट. दैट विल हैव डिफरेंट ट्यूबलाइट इन योर माइंड कि भाई वो रेजिस्टेंस के ऊपर जा रहा है. It is changing its stance, changing its length. So this is called change in polarity. Another important concept called trend line. What is trend line?
Connecting tops and bottoms.
Connecting tops and bottoms, yes. What else? इसको स्टॉक मार्केट की लैंग्वेज में हम कहते हैं, जिसको लाइन मारने को आ गई, that will make more money. You need 2 points to create a trend line, right? And in that trend line, you have multiple different definition of trend line, but we'll see the basic of the trend line. There are steep trend line, there are support resistance trend line, there are different kind of trend line, but this normal trend line, which have minimum 2 points, okay? Trend line will give you trend idea, number 1. Number 2, it will give you, sometimes it will give you the directional as well as the stock probable targets in downtrend and in uptrend. And number 3 will have when to enter, the clear-cut knowledge about when to enter, when to exit, and when and where to keep the stop losses. For example, this has 3 pointers, right? This was not going above this. At one point of time, it has given a crossover with volumes and with close, and then see the movement. It went up. Again, it took support here only, right? You could have added here. You could have exited here. You could have added again here, and you could have made this money. The simple concept of trend line, this works in bear market and in bull market. Both the market it works. See, this was going down, again it went up. This is going up. How many times it took support here? 1, 2, and 3. The moment it closes below this trend line, trend change. How many of you know something about charts? You are the option writer, you must be. Yes, ma'am. How many charts are there? Yeah, the major types. This is major 3 types. But there are 8, 10, 15 kind of charts. Anyone know about the line chart, bar chart, or candlestick chart? This is again a basics, huh? You have to be clear with the basics. Now, what is line chart? ऊपर नीचे, right? What is the advantage of line chart? You can get to know the trend. Trend समझ में आता है कि uptrend है, downtrend है. लेकिन can you able to guess what is open, high, low, close? Not in line chart, right? How about the bar chart? You can get to know the high, low, and open, close. So do we understand the pattern? No. In this candlestick pattern, only and only in this candlestick pattern, we can able to know high, low, open, close. And each candle has some meaning to it. Very, very important, very, very powerful. Now let us write how candle formations take place. This is basic chart of candle. Okay. Now just understand this. This is body, and this is low and this is high. ठीक है? लो नीचे होता है, हाई ऊपर होता है. एक चीज आपको समझनी है. अगर ओपन टू क्लोज ऊपर होता है, then it becomes bullish candle. And अगर open to close नीचे होता है, then it becomes bearish candle. ठीक है? And what is this? A shadow, or you can call it a tail. ठीक है? Understand this concept? You mark high, low, high is up, low is down. When a particular stock open and closes above the open, it becomes green candle. ओपन के बाद ऊपर जाके क्लोज आता है तो ग्रीन हो जाता है, ओपन के बाद नीचे जाके क्लोज आता है तो वो रेड हो जाता है। बराबर। तो जो बॉडी है ना, बॉडी वो ओपन टू क्लोज की रहती है, और जो नीचे की जो टेल होती है या शेडो होता है वो इन बिटवीन। फॉर एग्जाम्पल रिलायंस इंडस्ट्री, when it opened it was 1200, it went up to 1250. Then what candle it will form? Green. It opened at 1200 and it gave close to 1150. High, low, right? High is upper side, low is lower side. If it will show, for example, अगर 1200 से ऊपर पूरी 1200 का भाव था प्रीवियस क्लोजिंग, it opened at 1200 और 1300, बराबर है, तो मतलब नीचे से ऊपर गया तो कोई शेडो नहीं बनेगा। लेकिन वो क्या करेगा, 1200 पे ओपन हुआ था, नीचे जाएगा 1180 एंड इट गिव्स क्लोज अबाउट 1250। तो जो हाई और जो लो है ना, उसके बाद में जो क्लोज, ओपन टू क्लोज जो है ना, वो बनेगा बॉडी और बाकी बनेगा शेडो। ओपन टू क्लोज इज द बॉडी, रेस्ट इज शेडो। Done? If open to close is higher, then it will form bullish candle. Open to close is lower, it will simply create bearish candle. Now next candle is doji. It is considered to be indecisive candle. Sir, indecisive candle. क्यों? Open to close में gap ही नहीं है. Very similar. So it will have plus kind of thing. Doji at the start, मतलब indecisive candle, but it needs confirmation. Small candle needs confirmation. This is a general rule. Then it could take another bullish candle going ahead. Similarly, if doji is seen on the uptrend, it may form bearish candle going forward. Simple rule. What is doji? Open to close के बीच में गैप नहीं है, वो प्लस साइन जैसा क्रिएट करेगा। ठीक। Doji is formed at the top. Will show the reversal candle, and the doji is formed at the bottom. Will show the bullish candle. This is very very important. Bullish hammer. Hammer मतलब हथौड़ी. Now, can you able to understand what is the difference between a normal candle and hammer candle? The body is just small and the shadow is twice the body. Right? Simple. Body सिर्फ इतनी है, छोटी है, और जो shadow है इससे double है, double. This is also very very powerful. This can come as a reversal candle. If it is seen at the bottom, that means uptrend is going to start. And the basic and the beauty is, नीचे फॉर्म होती है तो उसका नाम अलग है, वही अगर ऊपर फॉर्म होती है तो उसका नाम चेंज हो जाएगा। ठीक। Bullish hammers. It was uptrend, then again downtrend, and again it formed the bullish hammer. That means this is considered to be a reversal candle pattern. You have a big candle, then after, and then it again goes up. Next. Similarly, bullish candle at the bottom, and see the rally from there. Name change. Name change. तो क्या था नाम पहले? बुलिश हैमर। अभी नाम क्या है? क्यों? डिफरेंस क्या है? When it is seen at the bottom, it is called bullish hammer. But the same candle pattern is being seen on the top, then it will have bearish. It is considered to be a bearish candle, then the name will be changed. It is said hanging man. Latta hua aadmi. Say this example. The same structure. The body is small and the tail is almost a double. It is seen on the top and then after confirmation and then see the downtrend starts. सर ये देखने में बहुत इजी लगता है, but when you have that confidence and practice, you can create and make hell lot of money. So this is additional skill. Learning technical analysis is something very different kind of skill. You just need to master it and do the practice regularly. Next. Hanging man and a confirmation and a downtrend. Again, the pattern changes. जो body ऊपर था, वो नीचे आ गया, right? ऊपर body था, नीचे आ गया, and shadow is almost double, tail is almost double. It is considered to be a shooting star. Why this is very much important? Next time, Nimesh bhai, I want everyone to carry the laptop, right? And I will say one charts software, you just have to install, it's free. So that you can, at that point of time, you can relate and you can practice. You know why is this so much of importance? Shooting star. On 20th September, the market was at peak. In just 5 working days, it has created a shooting star. So even a live paper. If you know this now, it is multiple shooting stars. Here. It is showing the market is showing the fatigueness. कभी भी नीचे आ सकता है. And then after this is clear cut indication of market top out. If you can spot at top, how much can you able to understand how much percentage of money can you make it? Can you create it? Can you save it? Next. Shooting star and a downtrend star. Next. Again the shooting star and downtrend star. Same candle, name changes. For inverted hammer. शूटिंग स्टार ऊपर दिखता था तो क्या होता था विशाल भाई? Bearish candle, reversal candle. But if it is seen at the bottom, then same color is the same, but display is at top and the bottom has changed. When you look at the chart, it is seen at the bottom and see the uptrend. Shooting star, inverted hammer. Next. Again, inverted hammer with a candle confirmation and uptrend starts. Now, for your understanding, one chart is showing all the different kind of 4 powerful candles. क्या था? Shooting star. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? अगर नीचे प्रेडिक्ट शूटिंग स्टार ऊपर दिखता है तो इट इज अ शूटिंग स्टार और नीचे दिखता है तो इन्वर्टेड हैमर, राइट? और देन बुलिश हैमर अगर ऊपर दिखता है तो हैंगिंग मैन और नीचे दिखता है तो राइट. नाउ जस्ट टेल मी द इंपॉर्टेंस. सर अगर शूटिंग स्टार ऊपर दिखता है तो बेरिश, राइट? इन्वर्टेड हैमर ऊपर दिखता है तो नहीं दिखेगा बिकॉज नेम इज नॉट देयर. इन्वर्टेड हैमर नीचे दिखेगा. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, we'll take the snapshot of this. Next, there's one simple concept called double top, double bottom. As simple. Reliance Industry made a double top, could not go beyond that. just went down again. And the same thing, double bottom. Simple support and resistance is doing the job. Next. Bajaj Finance, double top, and Bajaj Auto, double bottom. Again, this is called consolidation pattern or sideways pattern. Now, sir, if you see the consolidation pattern or sideways pattern, how you can able to make money? एक तो breakout पे या breakdown पे और selling the options. Writing the options is the best strategy, right? We'll see. Next. Now, very important concept of technical analysis: volume. What is volume? So, what is volume? Buy and seller comes together, forms a volume, right? There are 4 categories of the volume to identify whether the trend is strong or weak. For example, a big green candle with a big volume is considered to be a strong trend. A big volume, a big candle with low volume considered to be a weak uptrend. Strong uptrend, weak uptrend, strong downtrend, weak downtrend. As simple as that. अगर बुल में ताकत है तो वो वॉल्यूम से आगे बढ़ेगा. अगर बुल में कैपेसिटी नहीं है, ताकत नहीं है, तो उसका वॉल्यूम कम हो जाएगा. मतलब इट इज कंसीडर्ड टू बी अ वीक अपट्रेंड. अपट्रेंड है लेकिन वीक है. अपट्रेंड है लेकिन वी नीड अ स्ट्रॉन्ग अपट्रेंड टू मूव अहेड. This example, trend with 2 big volume candles and a bigger candle and see the uptrend. Sustainable uptrend needs to have a bigger volume. And same thing here, Tata Steel with 4 candles with a big volume and see the difference. Next. तो जैसे uptrend में it has to be supported with a bigger volume. Downtrend में भी अगर volume ज्यादा है तो it is considered to be a powerful, strong downtrend. Otherwise, it is considered to be a weak downtrend. See Aurobindo Pharma, big candle, big volume. Britannia, big candle with a big volume, and the downtrend. Next, very much important. How many of you know the momentum? What is momentum actually? Come on, Shruti madam. Momentum. Normal spelling of momentum. Momentum, right? What else? Very important. If you learn this, half portion is done. Sir, what is momentum? Momentum is considered to be a speed. Now, what is speed? अगर कोई गाड़ी 100 km/h की स्पीड में जा रही है और उसको यूटर्न मारना है, यूटर्न, तो 100 की स्पीड में यूटर्न मार सकेगी? It has to slow down before it takes the U-turn. This momentum will tell you कि कौन सी स्पीड में गाड़ी है और अब क्या होने वाला है. So we have different kind of momentum indicators: RSI, stochastic, MACD, and ROC. Right? But we have, in fact, I have made specialized in RSI, which is being developed by Wells Wilder in around 1978. And it is also called as an oscillator and has a price range between 0 to 100. Now, what is the difference between oscillator and indicator? For a different word, I'll just make you explain you in a brief. Oscillator is being not seen on the price movement, it is seen below the price. And it will have a range between 0 to 100. Just keep this in your mind. And this is $1 billion slide. If you understand this, then 50% of your work is done. एक बार वो live chat करिए ना, then you can take the picture. Live chat करिए. This is RSI. ये प्राइस पे नहीं है, ये प्राइस है, ये इसके नीचे फॉर्म हो रहा है. Then it is considered to be an oscillator. If it is on the price, then normal indicator. Otherwise, it is below. It is showing the below value. It is called oscillator. This is $1 billion slide. If you understand this, you can make out whether this is uptrend, downtrend, sideways, strong uptrend, or strong downtrend. I want everyone to take a snapshot and create yourself now. Just create it so that you can remember. With this knowledge only, you can get to know the strong days in the stock, particular stock is in uptrend, downtrend, sideways. This is a general understanding. 0 to 40 sideways, then 50 to 40, 0 to 40 bearish, 50 to 40 sideways, and then bullish. But this gives you the clear-cut, more understanding. If it is between 40 to 80, obviously a bullish. Between 60 to 20, big downtrend, but between 40 to 20, strong downtrend. Any questions? Yeah, with the oscillator, because you get to know at what range the oscillator of RSI is moving right now. Because it travels between 0 to 100, right? Previously, where it was considered to be a 70-30, but we made it to the 60-40. It is non-conventional. Somebody says by 70 okay, so overbought it. It is not overbought. It is overextended. Overextended. Please.
Nowadays, maximum the stock say give relative strength index point. So within that we can understand what is.
No, but you have to understand that the basic, we have had 25 years experience and I have been studying RSI since last 5-7 years. We have a mentors as well. So previously it was considered to be between 30-70. Now we have changed and modified to 40-60 because 40-60 will give you this result. So you need to understand the logic behind 40-60 and 30-70.
Got it. They will be showing say for 4.8 or whatever 40-70. So from that you can understand maybe it is going on a upward trend.
You need to understand how to read it. So with practice and with inculcating all the other knowledge, you can guess it and you can predict it what may is going to happen next. Very good question. Now always remember and write it down. There are basically many time frames, but we will discuss about 3 important time frames: monthly, weekly, and daily. And always remember one rule: higher time frame rules. For example, monthly will give you direction up to 6 months, weekly for 6 weeks, daily for 6 days, and hourly for 6 hours. So you have to see which time frame you are looking for. If the stock is powerful uptrend, matlab monthly is above 60, then it is considered to be a bullish uptrend. मतलब वो एक टेम्पररी अपट्रेंड के लिए नहीं आया है, 1, 2, 3 महीना 4 महीना नहीं आया है, वो कंटिन्यूस अपट्रेंड में स्टॉक रहे. We'll see after this. But this is the basic. ये गीता है, ये सार है, ये टेक्निकल एनालिस्ट का नौकार है. So please understand this. Next. See this chart. Adani Enterprise above 60 is considered to be a strong uptrend. Yes. And see, it's spotted here. The price is around 2,800 and it just went around 3,000. The moment you spot it, 5-10% का move in a couple of days is very easy to spot. Next, Shriram Finance, downtrend. See the RSI. It went down from here, the price from here, and the RSI from here. You get a double confirmation. मतलब price पे भी आपको confirmation मिल रहा है और RSI पे भी आपको confirmation मिल रहा है. So it was 3,000 and it went down to 2,800. Almost 6-7%. Next. It is hovering around 60-40. उसके बीच में है. तो stock price का movement भी बीच में है. It's not going up, not going down. So double confirmation. Price पे भी confirmation मिल रहा है और momentum RSI पे भी confirmation मिल रहा है. Next. Now what is volatility? Normal explain simple words. Trump. Yes. Definitely. The other name of the Trump has become volatile. Right? Very powerful and important concept. You just have to remember three concepts. One, price action. Second, momentum. And third is volatility. Volatility indicates price movement, whether upside or downside. And it is an indicator, it moves with the price. So there are few volatility indicators like Bollinger Band, like ATR, like standard deviation, and like VIX. So we have specialized in Bollinger Band, which was invented in around 1980 by John Bollinger. It has three lines: upper line, middle line, lower line. Upper line is considered to be a 2 standard deviation. Middle line is 20 moving average, and lower line is -2 standard deviation. Standard deviation को भूल जाओ. Upper line, lower line, middle line, and middle line is considered to be a 20 moving average, which is one of the most powerful tool in technical analysis is 20 moving average. We'll see. ये किसी का फिगर इसमें हमने डाला है. कौन है ये? Crocodile. मगरमच्छ है. When it opens its mouth, that is called opening the bands. जो squeeze था, मतलब एक प्राइस मूवमेंट एक पर्टिकुलर कैटेगरी में साइडवेज टू कंसंट्रेशन जोन में था, and suddenly the volatility spikes, either upside or downside. अगर upside spike होती है तो उसकी अपर बैंड, अपर लाइन को पेनिट्रेट होगी. अगर डाउनसाइड होती है तो उसकी लोअर लाइन को पेनिट्रेट करके और नीचे जाएगा. फॉर एग्जांपल, दिस वाज गोइंग साइडवेज मूवमेंट टू कंसोलिडेशन मूवमेंट. One particular news has come and it has broken the upline. The moment it broke the upline, that means price में movement आना is must. And the key from here to here, what was it quoting around? 680 or around between 680 to 720, and it went up to 800 with volume, with momentum. If you can spot this volatility, it is a killer combination. Jyoti madam, understand? It is a 3 line, upper line, middle line, lower line. We don't know which side of the trend it will go, but it is showing that it is penetrating the upper line. मतलब ऊपर upper line के ऊपर बंद आ रहा है. That means the trend is up, and it is considered to be a walking on the bands. मतलब जब भी walking on the bands होता है ना, तभी fast movement आता है. 5% to 10% to 20% fast. So if you know these indicators and momentum and volatility and price action, if you can inculcate three things together, it will have a really good combination. Next. See this sideways movement and then squeeze, expand, but this time on the lower side. Berger pain, and then if you would have spotted here at 540, then सीधा 540 से 480. Second thing, if you have noticed, RSI started moving below 40. below 40 is considered to be a strong bearish. Next, this is time cycle. Now come on, understand, pay attention and copy my body gesture. When price, come on, do it. When price and time matches, trend change. Once again, when price and time matches, trend change. You know what does it mean? What does it mean? These are the powerful dates where two dates are equinox and two dates are solstice. Plus, these are the market momentum date. ये डेट पे या निचली सर्किट लगी थी या ऊपर की सर्किट लगी थी. फिर वो यूपीए गवर्नमेंट एक वोट के लिए हारी थी या फिर एनडीए गवर्नमेंट आई थी और सर्किट लगी थी. But these dates you will see biggest momentum in the market. Now, how to spot that momentum? क्या था ये? Price and time matches. Trend change. हमको अगर एडवांस में मालूम है कि ये इक्विनॉक्स आने वाला है, मतलब कुछ ना कुछ बाजार में मूवमेंट आया और उसी टाइम हमें बेरिश कैंडल दिखी, तो दिमाग की बत्ती खुल जाएगी. उसी टाइम आरएसआई 60 को बीट करके नीचे आया, उसी टाइम बॉलिंजर बैंड पे अपर बैंड की जगह पे लोअर बैंड पे आया, तो कुछ ना कुछ नीचे होने वाला है. September 24. Listen, take this snapshot and just check the equinox. 21st September, 21st March. 90%, 21 मार्च के आसपास तेजी फॉर्मेशन होती है एंड 90% 21 सितंबर के आसपास मंदी की फॉर्मेशन होती है. Just take a snapshot. These are the very, very powerful dates. So, this is around 30th September. Ye time we have tried hard. It got extended for a week and see the top and see the bottom. ये डेट थोड़ा आगे पीछे 2-3 दिन हो सकता है, but if you are alert on that particular dates and you can see and match the bearish candle and RSI, see the RSI, it has just gone below 60, ठीक है, and it has just gone below the 20 moving average, मतलब कुछ होने वाला है. देखो, going short needs lot of courage, but selling your portfolio or hedging your portfolio, you can make good amount of money. At least you can book your profit. If you have booked around 26,000, from 26,000 to 21,800 in less than 4 months. This is the power of time cycle. And it does work. Next. If you can spot it, you can have upper hand in the market. Next. Another important concept called strength. Average directional index. Now what is strength? We have seen price action, we have seen momentum, we have seen volatility. Now जो ट्रेंड है उसमें पावर कितनी है, अगर वो पावरफुल है या पावर नहीं है, this ADX will tell you, Rohit bhai, the power of that trend, whether it is uptrend or a downtrend. We'll see. Again, it has been developed by Wells Fargo in around 1978-1980. Now let's take a snapshot again. So if it is, the basic range is 25. 25 आसपास रहता है, तो it is considered to be a okay power. But if it is considered to be 25 to 50, it's a strong bull trend or a bad trend. And around or below 25, that is considered to be a consolidation. और 50 के ऊपर थक जाता है, एग्जॉस्टेड हो जाता है. Now see the example. This is uptrend. We don't have momentum, we don't have volatility. We just have ADX above 25 and it is showing on the 50. 50 के ऊपर थक जाता है तो 50 के नीचे से ही अपने को ट्रेंड मालूम पड़ जाता है. और 25 to 50 it is considered to be a strong uptrend. This is an additional nugget, additional nuances. Downtrend power कितनी है? So this is about 25, went up to 50, strong downtrend. Next. Sideways. See, the market is not going anywhere else, and the ADX is also just 25 से 27 और 25 से 20 के बीच में घूम रहा है. You can spot it. This is weak. Not that much is happening in the market. Next. This is again very important. वो हमारी लैंग्वेज में बोलते हैं ना, अगर पान वाला भी आपको टिप देता है कि भाई ले लो, आर पावर के टाइम पे हुआ था और ये सितंबर 24 के आसपास है ना, ऐसे लग रहा था कि इंडिया की मार्केट में कभी मंदी आएगी नहीं. So when everybody is bullish, Warren Buffett said it's time to make book profit. When everybody is bearish, it is time to enter in the market. If you want to make big money in the stock market, you have to do ulta. What is ulta? Sell greed and buy fear. और अभी के टाइम पे क्या है? Every majority of person is saying 20,000 निफ्टी आ जाएगा, 18,000 निफ्टी आ जाएगा. And we are standing on the lightest of position. We had this position in March 2020 and we don't have any position right now of my client as of now. And I can give you this clue, market, I don't know whether it is going to go up, but I am sure it is not going to go down drastically. This is for sure. We have this market mood index. It changes every week. It gets changes. So you have to spot uptrend, downtrend for medium term. This is a very powerful tool. Buy fear and sell greed. Come on, let's repeat what we have learned so far. There are 4 pillars: tool management, trade management, risk management, and mind management. Now under this tool management we have 8-step analysis. क्या है? Price, pattern, volume, momentum, volatility. These 5 are the basic and strong. Addition to it, time, strength, and sentiment. Are you with me? Yes, no? Clear, done so far? Let's move. सब आ गया, अभी करना क्या है? तो आवड़ी हो जाए, लेकिन what to do? These are the 5 steps. Okay. आज तो सीखा, मंडे को छुट्टी है, ट्यूसडे कुछ करेंगे हम? क्या करके रुके मैंने? ये 5 स्टेप्स करने वाला. You can manipulate price, but you cannot manipulate volume. And, huh? So something is big fish is coming. You know, we are the small fish. We just have to follow the big fish. What do you mean by big fish? It's big FIs, institution, HNIs. You know, we need to just follow the trend. There is a difference between telling the market and listening the market. What is telling? हमारा ओडिया तेजी का है तो हम निफ्टी को बोलेंगे भाई ऊपर जा. दिस इज टेलिंग द मार्केट. लेकिन हमारा पोजीशन कुछ भी पोजीशन नहीं है. और हमको चाहिए कि मेरे को नीचे में एंटर होना है, what we expect market again telling, लेकिन what is listing the market? Why it is not going down? 8-step analysis saying कि भाई यहाँ पे बैड ट्रेंड खत्म हो गया, might resume the bull trend. So this is listening. तो listening में ये एक स्टेप आता है और हमेशा लिसनर विनर रहता है, टेलिंग विनर नहीं रहता है. भाव भगवान से गुजराती में कહેવત છે. There are few goldsmith or there are few gold trader who are short in the gold from 80,000. और अभी जो मूवमेंट आया था ना 93 वाला 86 आया ना, अभी लगा कि ये 72 हो जाएगा, लेकिन अगेन इट क्रॉस द ऑल टाइम हाई. So this is listening, difference between listening the market and telling the market. So any questions so far?
If technical analysis work in the volatile market, like right now the market is very volatile. Is this candles work in this market also, or is there any accuracy of this candle?
Say let me one thing. My mentor says less is more. Less is more. Less indicators, less state, less noise, less friend will give you more happiness, more success, more joy. It has been seen in this present market, but it has been so volatile. So, it is better to stand outside and just watch it. Once this scenario will get over, everything will be fine and settled down. But if you know again something in detail, you can spot it. But to become a pro, it requires, next slide, 100 chart a day. If you will to become a pro, you should study 100 chart a day for continuously 2 years. Then only you become a pro trader.
दो साल तक अगर स्पॉट ट्रेडिंग करेंगे, ट्रेडर्स कितने सबके भाव बुक में याद हो जाएगी, इससे मिलेगा इंफॉर्मेशन.
Sir, I'll tell you one thing. You know why Warren Buffett is considered to be so successful? Why? Anyone? Those who are chartered accountant, those who are money manager might know. Anyone?
Controlling the emotions. That's the thing. Long term.
Not doing anything, sometimes also.
he needs a lot.
It has given consistent 19% CAGR over a period of 40 years. You know why learning technical analysis is important? The bigger reason is, if you have put your money in, say, mutual fund for a period of 10 years, how much amount of return you could have expected? For example, if it is a large cap fund, then 12%, mid cap fund for 15%, and probably small cap fund for 20+%, right? If you would have given your money to one of the biggest PMS, portfolio management service of India, or in Mumbai, what would be its return approximately? 14, 15, 20, max 22. With this skill, if you understand this skill and if you have practiced it, you can multifold your returns. But focus, consistency, belief, and practice will win. Next. The journey of Sensex. See this. From 1996 to 2024. क्या याद दिलाती है? नरेश भाई, फेमस डायलॉग है यहाँ पे भी. आदमी है या मार्केट, जाना तो ऊपर ही है. See this. चलो 2015 से देखिए, from FOC continues. I mean, there was a big discussion on that. Brexit exit, NDA wins, GST implementation, worldwide recession, supply chain, NDA, COVID vaccine, Russia-Ukraine war, and general election. It just went down and it has crossed all-time high. Next, market was of 85,000. It corrected 17%. It came down to around 71, 72. It is hovering around 76. Now, what is expected outcome in coming 2, 3, 4 years?
1 lakh.
Bus.
What was the CAGR?
Always remember one thing. What is the size of our economy? 4 trillion. Expected to grow by 30 तो बहुत होगी. Let's make it reasonable. 15 to 20 trillion. Simple. In less than 10 to 15 years. एक simple logic है. When economic size goes to 2x, 3x, stock goes to 3x, 4x, 5x, 10x. So believe in India's growth story for coming 5-7 years. You can make big money. Now once you know this whole process, can we become a pro trader? Yes. Can we have this affirmation again? Previously we have had money affirmation. Now this is trading affirmation. Are you all ready? I am just reading. You just have to repeat it. Okay. I am a wise trader. I deserve and strongly desire to make money. I manage risks very well in every trade I do. I accept my mistake while trading and I don't repeat the same mistake again. I choose to remain modest and humble in all my success. My confidence in trading is going high each day. I attract abundant trading opportunities. I enjoy freedom of time in my trading profession. I am a professional trader. Come on, we all are a professional trader. We all are a professional trader. So if you have this belief with the homework, with the persistency, with the perseverance, you are definitely going to become a pro trader. Now we'll do just small activity next. Please sit, everyone sit in a comfortable position. Take a deep breath and close your eyes. Come on, everyone. This will create mental map and you can see the power of subconscious mind. Take a deep breath and close your eyes. Focus on the breathing. The air is coming in and going out. With each breathing process and single breath, you are getting relaxed. Relax. Slowly and steadily, every part of your body is getting relaxed. Your face is getting relaxed. Shoulders, hands are getting relaxed. Your legs are getting relaxed. Whole your upper body and lower body is getting relaxed. You are enjoying this process and you have become very happy. Now focus on center part of your forehead. कपाल पे जहाँ पे बिंदी लगाई जाती है वहां पे आपको फोकस करना है। Whatever thoughts are coming, allow it to come. See to it and let it go. जो भी विचार आ रहे हैं उसे आने दीजिए, उसे देखिए और जाने दीजिए। With this, you become focused and aware. Now we are going deep into alpha state of the mind. Alpha state is a state of a mind where communication between conscious mind and subconscious mind take place. Alpha state understands the language of picture, video, and emotion. I will count 1 to 10, and with each count, we are going deeper into alpha state. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You are in alpha state of the mind. Here you will visualize your success. I have understood the basic concept of technical analysis, and I am feeling very happy. I believe in saving, investment, and wealth creation. I have become a magnet of attracting right person, right opportunity, right stock in my life. Yes, my portfolio is growing. My net worth is increasing day and night. Whatever goals I have made, all my goals are coming true. My bank balance, my portfolio, my assets, all I have created through my equity investment and wealth creation process. Create a picture, create a video in present continuous tense. हो रहा है, हो चुका है. Add emotion to it. Yes, I have done it. Celebrate your success. Celebrate your journey. Now say thank you to all the persons who has helped you in this wealth creation journey. And thank you to Jito Tourism Sector who has really saw the seed of my wealth creation journey. Thank you. Whatever you have dreamt of is coming true. Have clear picture. Create the video. It is creating mental map. Yes, whatever I have thought of, my smaller to bigger goals, my bigger vision is being achieved by me. I am enjoying this process. I have the full confidence, satisfaction, and happiness. I have the immense power and potential. मुझमें अनंत शक्ति है. मैं मेरी मन की और आत्मा की शक्ति को मैक्सिमम यूटिलाइज कर रहा हूँ. I believe in myself and my powers. Thank you, universe, for giving me whatever I have wished for. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now we are going back to our stage. Keep closing your eyes. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, rub your palm, rub your palm. Apply that energy on your face. 1, and open your eyes with a great smile on your face. This is magic. This is creating mental map. You will not imagine, it will become a magnet of attracting these opportunities, wealth, abundance. And if you believe it, and if you consistently follow this practice, which will have 360-degree change in your life. So this is also essential. This is a part of mind program. Now just few minutes, whatever we have learned, can we see in this present technical charts, few stocks and few indices? We have find 3 sectors in a present market condition. One is Fin Nifty, but this comes under Bank Nifty, but something financials are doing very well. Not banking, it is NBFC companies, they are doing pretty well. So this is one of the sector, Fin Nifty. Second is tourism sector. And third is market infrastructure stock. So let's go to the Fin Nifty. See, monthly is above 60. Monthly above 60 मतलब strong uptrend. ठीक है. दूसरा रूल क्या है? हायर टाइम फ्रेम रूल्स. weekly is around 60-40 and matlab is around 60 only. And daily is just crossing 60. So this is a sector, if market has to go up, which stocks to buy, which sector to buy, this is a sector which is going to do well. Chris, it's crossing 60, almost cross the 60 on a daily basis. So you have to find which stocks is coming under this sector. Monthly is way above 60, strong uptrend. Weekly, just resisting at 60 and daily cross 60. That means if market is stable and if it has to go up, this is a stock where you can find the momentum. Kaveri seed. ये market में this is all time high and this is cup pattern. This is cup pattern. वो भी pattern है एक longer the cup, bigger the move, and this is almost 11 years cup. So you can register this stock and see the price movement. Anything else? There are a lot of stocks, but we are short of time. 4 is already been achieved. We need to close this. We use trading chart, trading view. We have other chart as well, but this is the basic. It will have everything. Trading view. Very complex. My mentor had taught me, if you want to impress someone, make it complicated. If you want to help someone, make it simple. It's very complicated. Even I don't understand this. So we are done with today's presentation. Thank you. And hope I have tried to deliver some kind of knowledge with you. And this will really help you.
Thank you, Hemal Bhai, for I can say teaching all of us about the technical chart. I would like to call upon Sandeep ji, our Chief Secretary Amal Bhai, Dhruti, Chairperson, to organize this program. Justin Bhai, our Treasurer, our Vice Chairman, Naresh Bhai, our core committee members, Humsor is available here. Can you come here? Yeah, please come. Yeah, sorry, Nevis Bhai, the person behind this program, Nevis Bhai. Amal Bhai. Friends, I would like to thank our team, Nevis Bhai and Dhruti, for organizing this event. One thing is very important, though he must have told you, अगर पैसा बनाना है तो पैसा फाइनेंशियल एसेट में ही बनता है. If you take a story of 30, 40, 50 years, you compare any asset, may it be the gold, may it be the fixed deposit, may it be the PPF, may it be the real estate. In fact, काफी लोग कहते हैं कि मेरा फ्लैट मैंने 20 लाख मिल गया, अभी 3 करोड़ हो गया. But if you count the compounding return, then you will realize equity has given them much higher return than the any other asset class. So therefore, this is very important. For एक है ना, हेमल भाई, I have been told by someone कि अगर if you are able to earn 24% compounding for next 20 years, 24%, which if you can make, if you have art and the like expertise, 24% per year for 20 years compounding, the 1 lakh become how much? 1 crore.
So only Warren Buffett is.
Yeah, no. In fact, I'll tell you. I know some of the people like this who put in the fund in the SDFC mutual fund before 25 years. I'm just taking 25 years. Before 25 years, if you can see online also, the person who put in 1 lakh rupees in the SDFC mutual fund, their benchmark mutual fund, the 1 lakh become about 90 lakh rupees in the 25 years. So this is the compounding of the returns. So this is possible. I will tell you like basically, and see basically all people are assembled here. Let us create a group. And Santilali is there. He also making a lot of money. I know few people like basically, so who make a lot of money like basically, and who are getting because they access to a good people like basically. Santilali, why don't you join us here? because he's very close to Navneet, Manoj, Nilesh Bhai Shah. I'm also close to them. Anil Singh is also a very close friend of ours. So why don't we create a group? Because we need only one stroke per year. Only one stroke per year is enough. We are able to compound a good amount of money. Amol bhai, एक stroke अगर एक साल में मिल गया, Amol bhai, if we all can give one stroke only. Let us make a group. Find only one stroke, which can multiply say 5-10 times. There are n number of stroke. In fact, संतला जी पास में ऐसे काफी stroke हो जो 10-20 सुना में हुए. I know. है ना बिगाड़? Yeah, technical is important. Yeah, of course. Yeah. So let us come together. Wherever we have resources, our sources, our connection, maybe wherever we get a company which can compound, maybe we are reasonably sure कि ये company 5 से लेकर 10 गुना हो सकती है, and we are reasonably 100% sure कि ये ठीक है 5 टाइम नहीं हुआ, 2-3 टाइम भी अगर हो गया, let us find a one single company every year. I think we all can try and get. और मैंने अमल को मैंने कमिट किया एक कंपनी में दूँगा. Do you remember? I said that because I'm just working with a company. I'm sure the company will become at least 3x or 10 times होना चाहिए. This is what I'm working. So I'm reasonably sure कि 10 times होना चाहिए. Let us find those kind of companies. अगर हम देखिए ना जीतो का हमारा उद्देश्य क्या है? Economic empowerment of the our members. अगर हम multiply कर पैसा कर सकते हैं, I think this is the best way we can promote Jito, we can grow in Jito. So this is our basic objective. The Hemal Bhai will work for that. I would like to thank you very much for today's session, and I'm sure all the members would have benefited with your teachings. Yeah, sure, yeah, bilkul. And for the tomorrow, I would like to say tomorrow we organize a wonderful seminar. Our own Hitesh Bhai Doshi will be unfolding his success story. Like he started his career with the 5,000 borrowed money, and now he's on the, I can tell you like he's the amongst the top 3 or top 5 amongst the Jain community. If I don't mistake, he will be amongst the top 3 in the Jain community. The like person who started from zero, reached to the side, very humble person. The best part, he balanced social and the business both. There are people like जो socially बहुत आगे बढ़ जाते हैं, there are people जो business में आगे बढ़ जाते हैं. There are very few people who balance both the things. So this is a rare combination. So tomorrow this Bhai will unfold this story with this Bhai, many secrets, and Amol Bhai and the team has created very good questions for the Hitesh Bhai. In fact, they are working a lot during Amol Bhai is working for last 10 days. What kind of questions are important which has to be asked to Hitesh Bhai. And the other important part is BCG. You know what is BCG? I think many of us know. One of the Boston consultancy group, one of the finest consultancy group of the globe. You know, everyone knows. Their India head, their managing director, their senior partner is coming to us. And I will tell you, the speech would be only for half an hour. Remaining part is that we have curated very good questions for them, and we'll learn many things from tomorrow's session. So this is going to be a remarkable seminar. And Amol Bhai just he gave the figures. He gave about to cross 800 figures. So we are just about to close this registration. So those of you who still not registered, please register now. 800 का registration हो गया है. हम अभी उसको close करने वाले हैं very soon. So please, जिसका registration नहीं हुआ, come with your spouse, come with your children who are above 16 years. There will be many take homes for us, and this will be a marquee event for the Goregaon chapter. So I humbly request each one of you to come in the last number, please. Second, I would like to thank the many people are sitting here who have helped us in the Navkar Mahamantra Divas. In Goregaon is the chapter who organized the maximum number of Navkar Bandhs job, 108 locations. 108 location पे हमने नौकर मतलब जाते हैं. Roughly 40,000 our Jain the followers have participated in our various right from Jogeshwar to Palghar. This is a very big thing for the Goregaon. This was possible because the entire people was standing here and was sitting here. Because आप सब लोगों ने help किया तो this was possible. And I urge कि ऐसे हम बहुत सारे programs अभी हम curate कर रहे हैं. वी वांट मोर पार्टिसिपेशन ऑफ yours. जितना आप पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे ना will infuse more, उतना हमको मोटिवेशन मिलेगा टू ऑर्गेनाइजिंग मोर एंड मोर प्रोग्राम. अभी हम वेरी सुन I'll tell you, I'll just I'll tell you, Amol bhai and we all are working very hard. Our team is working, Naresh bhai, Jaswant bhai, Dhruti. एक हम प्रोग्राम कर रहे हैं मोतीलाल जी ओसवाल के साथ में. मोतीलाल टावर में डेट्स फ्रीज नहीं हुआ इसलिए मैं अनाउंस नहीं कर रहा हूँ, बट आई एम जस्ट शेयरिंग विथ यू. जहाँ पे वेल्थ क्रिएशन का हम मोतीलाल जी से हम सुनेंगे फॉर द G2 members. इट इज ऑर्गेनाइज्ड बाय द गोरेगांव चैप्टर विथ मुंबई जोन. तो वेरी सुन विल अनाउंस यू कि हम कब कर रहे हैं. एंड हेमल भाई, आई एम वेरी इम्प्रेस्ड विद योर मेडिटेशन बिकॉज दिस इज व्हाट इज रिक्वायर्ड नाउ टुडेज लाइफ. एंड मेरा प्लान चल रहा है, आई विल टेक योर हेल्प आल्सो. एंड वी आर गोइंग टू इनवाइट, आई एम जस्ट टॉकिंग टू द KC Jain. You must have heard the name of KC Jain. He is the ex-commissioner of income tax, ex-principal commissioner of income tax. And उन्होंने अपने post retirement उन्होंने पूरा लाइफ खाली मेडिटेशन में लगा दिया. प्रेक्सा मेडिटेशन, वहाँ पे काफ़ी मतलब हाई प्रोफाइल पीपल आर कमिंग एंड ट्रेंड अंडर हिम. तो ही इज एट बेस्ट दिल्ली, मैं उनसे बात कर रहा हूँ. एंड गोरेगांव चैप्टर्स के मेंबर्स के लिए विल क्यूरेट अ प्रोग्राम फॉर 1 day प्रेक्सा मेडिटेशन. तो वेरी सुन विल अनाउंस यू कि हम कब करने वाले हैं, क्या कैसे करने वाले हैं. सो लाइकवाइज वी आर ऑर्गेनाइजिंग मेनी प्रोग्राम्स, बहुत सारे पाइपलाइन में चल रहे हैं. एंड हमारा जोश तभी बढ़ेगा जब आप लोग आएंगे. जितना आप लोग पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे विल मोटिवेट अस टू ऑर्गेनाइज मोर एंड मोर प्रोग्राम्स. और एक हमारा बंधु मीट होता है, नरेश भाई, जसवंत भाई का टीम इतना अच्छा ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं. बिकॉज हमारा बेसिक उद्देश्य होता है कि बिजनेस को बढ़ाना है. बिकॉज द बेसिक ऑब्जेक्टिव जो इस बिजनेस को कैसे बढ़ाएं, अलग विद आवर बॉन्डिंग्स तो हमारा होना ही चाहिए. तो उसके लिए हमारा बंधु मीट होता है जहाँ पे 30, 40, 50, 60 मेंबर्स तक आते हैं. जहाँ पे हम एक दूसरे को जानते हैं, समझते हैं कौन क्या बिजनेस करता है और एक दूसरे को हम सपोर्ट कैसे कर सकते हैं. सो दिस में हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट, प्लीज पार्टिसिपेट, प्लीज कम. बहुत मेहनत कर रहे हैं नरेश भाई, जसवंत भाई, एंटायर टीम. वहाँ पे जितने आप लोग आएंगे विल गेट मोर कनेक्शन. और हो सकता है कि आपको साल में जो 1 टिप है ना वो वहाँ से मिल जाए. सो दिस इज हाउ, बिकॉज जितना आप सोशलाइज करेंगे ना, जितना आपकी बॉन्डिंग होगी. देखो शांतिलाल जी यहाँ पर क्यों बड़े हैं भाई लोग, बिकॉज ना ही क्रिएटेड अ गुड कनेक्शन. अगर जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल हम लोगों ने कुछ भी इवेंट करते हैं मार्केट का, हम शांतिलाल जी को पकड़ते थे. नवनीत जी मोनो वेरी क्लोज फ्रेंड ऑफ हिम. नीलेश शाह से बात करें वेरी क्लोज टू हिम. और एक तो हमारे भी क्लोज, तो हम मिलकर कर लेते हैं. उससे बेसिकली क्या होता है, अगर आपको अच्छी स्टोरी मिल जाती है देन खाली वेल्थ आप नहीं बनाते हो, आपके सराउंडिंग में जितने भी लोग होते हैं सबकी वेल्थ बनती है. आज फॉर एग्जांपल मेरे पास कोई एक अच्छी कंपनी आ गई, आई टेल यू, जब कोविड की बात था ना, मुझे किसी ने बोला टेक सॉल्यूशन ले लो. तो वेरी द पर्सन वाज एक्स डायरेक्टर ऑफ मोतीलाल, ही हैपेंस टू बी माय कलीग इन द फाइनेंशियल सीए. उस वाला मैं कुछ क्या करना चाहिए, बोला आप एक स्टॉक ले लो टेक सॉल्यूशन. मैंने 700 मिल गया, लेकर रख दिया, अभी भी 5000 के आसपास है. आई एम जस्ट सेइंग है. किसी ने मुझे एक बार फ्रेंड है, उससे दिन कांदीवली में अशोक नगर रहता है. वो इज एबल टू सी ए वेरी क्लोज फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन. हम साथ में हॉस्टल में थे. एंड इट डज ओनली द मार्केट जैसे एमएल बाई करते हैं. तो ऐसे मीटिंग में मिले तो आपने क्या स्टॉक बाई करें, तो मतलब वेरी ना एकदम कॉन्फिडेंस से बोला एक स्टॉक बाई कर लो. ही सेड कि आप एक स्टॉक बाई कर लो. एंड बिफोर 4-5 years एमएल भाई एक स्टॉक दिया हमारे को, टांगना सॉल्यूशन 10 रुपीज बोला. तो आपकी जितनी हिम्मत उतना ले लो. हिम्मत हम करने पाए अलग बात है, हमने थोड़ा लिया. बट द कन्विक्शन जो था ना, मतलब द पर्सन सेड ना, जो हैपेंस टू बी वेरी क्लोज फ्रेंड, लो सर मेरा प्रॉफिट आपका. तो थोड़ी हिम्मत की मैंने, तो 10 का है 10 का ना ये बंडल वो 1000 हुआ था, अभी 500 चल रहा है. सो दिस इज हाउ. सो वी ओनली नीड 1 or 2 stocks टू चेंज आवर लाइफ. But I have seen many examples. मतलब basically I know many people like this. मेरे काफी close friend है. I was in the hostel RVG और मैंने किंग कौन से मैंने सेका, मैंने आर्टिकल्स किया. तो मेरे काफी close friend. तो बहुत सारे लोग तो भी ऐसे हैं ना, तो they have left practice, they have left business, they have left everything, they have left also job. Full time खाली यही काम करते हैं. And one thing एक चीज मैंने realize किया मेरे भाई, जो full time इस मार्केट में आ गए ना, they made lot of money. I'll tell you. मेरी बेटी है, मेरी डॉटर है, सी डिड CFA, उसने और भी कोशिश किया है बहुत सारे. तो सी सेड पापा क्या करूँ, आई सेड कि ट्राई द मार्केट. 4 years वो कर रही है. वेरी सो व्हाट आई सीन द पीपल जो फुल टाइम इसमें ना, दे आर क्रिएटिंग वेल्थ लाइक. So this is a good market. So Hemal bhai, let's create a group और एक स्टॉक हम सब मिलके we find a stock. तो I think अगर हमारा कोई स्टॉक ऐसा मिल जाए 10 का 100 हो जाए, तो I think this seminar would be really very fruitful for all of us. Thank you so much for coming. And now I would like to request Sandeep ji, then Amol bhai, then Dhruv ji.
एक बार जोरदार घोरेगांव टीम के लिए आई थिंक इतने डायनामिक चेयरमैन अमोल भाई डुओ चीफ सेक्रेटरी एंड चेयरमैन का, तो आई थिंक राम लक्ष्मण की जोड़ी के लिए एक बार जोरदार ताली हो जाए. निमेश भाई, हमारे अमल भाई, द होल टीम. आई थिंक CFE एक वर्टिकल मैं रिप्रेजेंट करता हूँ नेशनल लेवल पर. 72 चैप्टर्स, 33 इंटरनेशनल चैप्टर्स. सेंटर फॉर एक्सीलेंस के बारे में मैं सिर्फ 2 मिनट बोलना चाहूँगा विद द परमिशन चेयरमैन साहब, कि वहाँ पे 5 वर्टिकल है. जो आज ये वर्टिकल प्रेजेंट हुआ है फाइनेंशियल लिटरेसी. इसके अलावा 4 वर्टिकल और है. वन इज AI एंड चैट GPT, मतलब आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस में बहुत बड़ा काम हो रहा है. वी आर वर्किंग विद द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट ऑल्सो, वी आर वर्किंग विद द नेशनल लेवल ऑल्सो, और इंडिया का खुद चैट GPT आने वाला है. आपको ये शायद बातें कल एक प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में भी बोली गई थी. सो वी ऑलरेडी हैड एन इवेंट ऑन गुरुवार का ज्ञान. कितने लोग कनेक्टेड है? सो गुरुवार का ज्ञान में वी स्टार्टेड विद आवर फर्स्ट इवेंट विद मुकेश जैन, CTO ऑफ कैपजेमिनी. ही इज पार्ट ऑफ आवर मिड टर्म चैप्टर, पार्ट ऑफ जीतो, एंड बहुत शानदार इवेंट हुआ. उसके बाद में हमने लिंक्डइन पे इवेंट किया. उसके बाद में हमने राकेश पुजारा के साथ में वी डिड ऑन वेल्थ क्रिएशन, एंड अभी 4th इवेंट आ रहा है. सो ये पार्ट हो गया ऑन स्किलिंग साइड. सो हमारा लोगो ही है स्किल फॉर सक्सेस. सेकेंड एरिया जो हमारा है फाइनेंशियल लिटरेसी, AI, देन वी हैव अनदर डोमेन कॉल्ड सॉफ्ट स्किल्स. सो मैं इवन रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि आप सॉफ्ट स्किल्स के ऊपर भी कुछ इवेंट करिए. उस पर भी बहुत काम हो रहा है. उसके अलावा जो चौथा एरिया है वो है होलिस्टिक लिविंग. सो इवन ऑन होलिस्टिक लिविंग वी आर डूइंग लॉट ऑफ वर्क. सो वहाँ पे भी आपको इवेंट क्यूरेटेड दिखेंगे. हमारा एक स्किलेथॉन करके बहुत बड़ा 108 स्किल्स. अगर आपने कोविड के टाइम पे अगर देखा होगा कि 108 सेमिनार एक साथ में हुई थी. अब ये पूरा इवेंट फिजिकल फॉर्मेट में 108 स्किल्स पीपल विल लर्न इन अ 2-day सेशन. ऑलरेडी चेन्नई ने यस कर दिया है. सो एवरी लार्ज सिटी वी आर गोइंग टू होल्ड दिस. इवन मुंबई में भी होने वाला है. सो बी अब्रेस्ट. वी आर आल्सो डूइंग एन सेशन विद IIM अहमदाबाद. वहाँ पे हमने एक हफ्ते का प्रोग्राम क्रिएट किया है. ऐसे अगर आपको मालूम होगा कि 21 डेज अगर IIM अहमदाबाद में अगर आप रेसिडेंशियल लेवल पर रहते हो तो आपको फेलो की उपाधि मिलती है ऑफ IIM. So we at Skillset at CFE are trying to do all these things, and obviously बहुत शानदार कार्यक्रम, and I really thank the whole team for giving me the opportunity. My name is Sandeep Chandalia. मैं चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट हूँ और नेशनल कन्वीनर हूँ CFE फाइनेंशियल लिटरेसी. थैंक यू सर.
Thank you. I think a few words from
सभी को सादर जय जिनेंद्र. Obviously, I'm sure the session was really interesting. Lot of learnings that we all had. Lot of questions also which will come. Chart पढ़ेंगे तब और सवाल आएंगे, I would guess. And most of the things have been covered in terms of what we are doing at the chapter level, what we intend to be doing in the coming months. Just 2 quick things that I would like to announce is 19th and 26th, ladies wing, ladies members. The male members who have their wives, sisters, mothers, daughters, please ask them 19 and 26. ये 2 दिन अपने calendar पे mark कर ले. We are having events from the ladies wing specifically. One is the industrial visit, which is at Neon Pharma and at Mahavir Metals. Both are our members. Obviously, Neon Pharma is by Uttam Uncle, who is our mentor also, and Mahavir Metals is by Pankaj Doda. Again, a very strong member and a strong pillar that we've had at Goregaon. And on 26th, we're coming up with a matrimony event. So please mark your calendars. We will require your support there. And in the upcoming months, there will be other programs coming too. Lot of things are being done on CFE. So many congratulations to both our convener, co-convener for amazing programs. We have had a Jhadi and Ladi of series, and couple of things coming from the ladies inside also, which we want to connect with you very. I think Pankaj Bafna is our convener from ladies wing, from CFE, and a couple of other ideas already ready. So we will be definitely connecting with you very, very soon. Many congratulations to both of you and to all of us. That's it from my side. Thank you so much.
Oh, Josh! Lot of things to learn and to increase your investment. So, हेमिल भाई के बारे में जितना बोला जाए उतना कम है, लेकिन फिर भी कबीरदास जी का एक दोहा है, गुरु गोविंद दोऊ करे काके लागू पाए, बलिहारी गुरु आपने गोविंद दियो बताए. So he's my good friend and he's just like a mentor, he's like a teacher to everybody. So जिससे भी आप कुछ सीख सकते हैं वो आपके लिए टीचर है. And especially what the BC Jain, who is my mentor or good friend also, and he is saying that एक स्टॉक काफी है आपकी जिंदगी बदलने के लिए, वो और एक आदमी काफी है आपकी पूरी दुनिया बदलने के लिए. So Hemil bhai, thank you very much. There are the repetitive sessions requests from everybody and there are the many GICO members who are having the request that Hemil bhai की सेशन की सीरीज शुरू हो जाए and वो शायद OTT पे आ जाए तो ज़्यादा अच्छा रहेगा. So we are planning for the multiple series from the Hemil bhai and there is a request also. And apart from that, we are the CFE members. We are having the different requests also. So what we are going to do that for the international markets, we are going to conduct the similar kind of the seminars also, that how to enter to the different markets in the different geographies, different continents. Like I'm having the experience of the 25 years in the export market. I'm a pharma man in the medicine sector. So this is one of the things. So how to establish yourself in the different sectors, which includes the Asia, Europe or CIS countries or even Europe or Latin America also. And there is another clubbing things also, how to set up your business and your company, not only for the transactional point of view, but actually for the execution point of view. So my colleague, Ms. Sheetal is also, so we are having the multiple seminars on this, which is actually, it's not about only India, but it's about the international market, how to actually execute your business and do a lot of, and you can plan for the IPO also in the future. So this is kind of the things. So we have the, multiple series from the Hemil bhai, and there are the couple of the seminars from our side also for the international market and to establish the, companies. Thank you very much.